For my PhD research, I discovered a new pathway by which monocytes help repair tissues after an infection. Now, we thought that monocytes were important for helping clear bacteria from the infection, but I found this was not the case. This was very surprising, and we actually found that the monocytes help regulate the blood vasculature after infection, and this was a completely unexpected mechanism. I decided to submit my prize-winning essay because I believe science communication to diverse audiences is really important. And this gave me the opportunity to reflect on what I did on my PhD and tell a new story from my perspective. And it was a really fun experience, and I would do it again if I had the chance.